Thank you. So it's very famous for the seafood. 新年快乐！
新年快乐 Happy New Year！
发财，发财，得奖发财。
我也不懂。
干嘛你？
Make more money. Make more money. This is
The good luck.
yeah, good luck. Good luck on
Yeah.
money.
They get a lot of colors. Water. With the lights going on the trees. Hey, Meow Meow. What section of Guangzhou is this?
番禺
Taiyu? Okay. You. Like fish.
Yes.
Okay. And that's why, probably. You can actually pick your dinner. So you can look your dinner in the eye. I'm going to eat you. Okay. Excuse me. Oh. Yummy, yummy. I'm getting hungry. This reminds me of the night I was with the group and the Chinese guys were drinking the beer and I went over and joined them. Hello, ni hao. Okay, thank you. This looks like quite a place. All right, here comes the food. Wow, look at that.
我要问你姐喜欢什么？
哥哥，这是小鸟。
这乳鸽，小鸟。
又小鸟啊，哥哥，这小鸟。
来，我们俩上。
小鸟。
我把手放在上哎。没有见过。这个才是法国。
哦，我听到是四佛。
吓死我了。
四佛。
Say hello to everybody back in the United States.
Hello.
觉得那个东西他好的喜欢吃，但是他觉得每次都不吃，然后他不吃到。
I love baozi.
他一直不会吃那些。
I eat it for breakfast sometimes. Yeah, 早饭.
In America or in
No,
China?
在中国，对。
对，那我姐姐，你让我姐姐也可能。
也是闭着眼睛吃嘛，不吃肉用少。
Very hot.
要吃肉才能长肌肉。
He doesn't like it?
微微可爱，可爱。
Really? Well, that's goose. Very tasty. Yeah, 很好吃. Yeah. And that's the and that was called what? Xiao niao. Small bird. You can see all that's left. Nobody's going to eat the head? Meow, 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 meow. Ting, 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 ting. He'll eat the head, right? You'll eat the head. Eat the head.
You won't.
We'll flip the coin. We'll flip the coin. If it's heads, you eat the head. If it's tails, I'll eat the head.
然后你们两个不是，他们两个扔硬币来决定，如果就是谁是正面，然后比如说正面，然后你吃，负面他吃，哦，跟他赌一把。OK。
All right. Oh man, I hope I'm lucky. Oh boy.
Side is the side is the right side. 正面
Yeah, we'll call it. Well, do you have that coin I gave you?
用他给你的那个美分。
Because that has a head on it. That's why we say heads or tails. Okay, here, call. No, you gotta call it.
What's that?
That's heads.
So you.
What? That's What? Who said?
You win.
Who called it?
No, actually in China, if somebody win and the loser will.
In Chinese. In China.
In China.
Well,
Hey.
how was it determined that I lost?
He had the head on.
But, oh dear God. You're playing with me. No, but he didn't call heads though.
Okay, give you another chance. You throw, okay? If
No,
you
somebody
had this side, you don't need to eat. If you had this side, you eat. Okay?
I'll eat it anyways, but
Okay, now David will eat the little bird's
let me get
head.
Can I get some tea? I better get some liquids here.
Okay.
Is it so hard? It's so hard.
I have never eaten a bird's head before.
Okay.
Which one should I eat?
It's very delicious. Either one.
Do I just shove the whole thing in my mouth?
The small bird's mother will send you in the evening.
In your dream.
In your dream.
Oh.
Okay.
Do I put the whole thing in my mouth?
它全部
How
吃
do I
还
eat
是
this?
还
嘴巴不用吃，其他都可以
吃
吃。
一口就可以了。
Oh, you can eat except the mouth. You can eat like the meat. Hello.
Okay.
How do you think? Is it tasty? Okay, you heard him. The little bird is crying. Okay, that's enough.
It's tasty. Good, thank you.
我才初二，不信今天
I think Ting Ting invented the selfie.
Her eyes is very beautiful. Do you think so?
Absolutely. 我觉得婷婷很漂亮。
Thank you. 有一段时间回来好瘦，上次他就瘦嘛，上次见到他就瘦嘛。
Now she's being a fish. All right, well, this is leaving at night. Very good meal. That's what looks pretty good, the trees, and then the starburst right there. Oh, okay.